Welcome to a Rocscience feature video. Here, we will be discussing the Derive function in RS3 and Slide3. You may assign Derive to a volume entity in order to assign its intersected parts the material that surrounds it. We've opened up a model of a tunnel in RS3, which we will have Derive assigned to it. This model has been broken down into 3 stages. Derive interacts with staging just as any other materials do. Stage 1 is where the tunnel will be set as Derive. In Stage 2, the tunnel is set as no material. And in Stage 3, the tunnel is filled with the fill material. The rest of the geological volumes have already been divided with all materials assigned. In Stage 1, where we've assigned the Derive material to the tunnel, we'll click Divide All. Now, the sections of the tunnel are divided according to the geological volumes that they intersect. Each part of the tunnel is now assigned the material that surrounds it. In Stage 2, since the tunnel is assigned no material, then all tunnel pieces are assigned no material. Stage 3 is another example of a different material assignment to the model, where all tunnel pieces are assigned the fill material. This concludes our demo. Thank you for watching our feature video. Please check our playlist for more videos and demos.